हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जैद सईद। सो आज हम जा रहे हैं ओटावा से फ्रेडिक्टन। तो ये अभी जो मैं ओटावा एयरपोर्ट पर पहुंच गया हूं और ये एयरपोर्ट है, गेट नंबर 23 है। फ़्लाइट 1:45 को है और ये खूबसूरत नज़ारा है एयरपोर्ट का। भाई जस्ट बोर्ड की है फ़्लाइट अभी। सीट नंबर 11A है और बस दुआ पढ़ेंगे। सुबहान अल्लज़ी सख़्ख़र लना हाज़ा व मा कुन्ना लहू मुक़रिनीन व इन्ना इला रब्बिना लमुनक़लिबून। हर चीज़ अल्लाह के हाथ में है भाई, जान भी, माल, मौत, हर चीज़ अल्लाह के हाथ में है। Just reached the Fredericton from Ottawa. So this was the flight. छोटा सा एयरपोर्ट है, इतना बड़ा एयरपोर्ट भी नहीं है। आई थिंक दो चार गेट होंगे। हम यहाँ पर लगेज लेंगे। we'll wait for luggage. एंड देन लगेज लेने के बाद हम रेंटल कार लेंगे। ऑलरेडी रेंटल कार बुक करी हुई है। सो आई जस्ट हैव टू पिक इट अप। आफ्टर दैट आई विल जस्ट गो टू द होटल एंड देन विल एक्सप्लोर द सिटी। आई थिंक द सिटी इतनी छोटी है, इतनी ज़्यादा बड़ी नहीं है। आई थिंक सो छोटी सिटी है। तो पॉपुलेशन भी आई थिंक कम होगी यहाँ पर फ्रेडिक्टन के अंदर। मे बी आई थिंक सो I don't think so it would be more than 10,000 people. So I'm just waiting for the luggage, and then once the luggage comes, I will just go to the rental car, picking up the rental car. So it's an Audi Q3, black color, small one, nice car. Okay, let's start this car. Okay, so guys, going towards hotel. It's a beautiful city, the green city, because अभी समर चल रहा है तो मोस्टली सब जगह पे ग्रीनरी है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा खूबसूरत लग रहा है। So just reach the होटल पर पहुंच गए। अभी अंदर जाएंगे, रूम में जाकर थोड़ा आराम करेंगे और फिर मे बी आज तो नहीं, कल सिटी को थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। भाई बड़ी खूबसूरत होटल है। ये लॉन्ज है और ब्रेकफास्ट है आई थिंक यहाँ पर। और मे बी just reach the room. It's a nice room with 2 beds. I'm just one person. I don't require 2 of them, but already it was pre-booked, so that's wonderful. So unfortunately यहाँ पर इतनी सारी जगहें नहीं है विज़िट करने के लिए, लेकिन अभी एक बंदे से बात हुई थी तो वो बता रहा था कि ओडेल पार्क है यहाँ पर। दैट्स गुड वन। इवन यू कैन ऑल्सो विजिट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यू ब्रुंसविक। यू कैन सी द कैंपस इज़ ऑल्सो बिग वन। सो अभी मैं यहाँ पर सर्च कर रहा था प्लेसेस टू विजिट फ्रेडिक्टन। सो जो पहला आ रहा है वो ओडेल पार्क आ रहा है। सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग ओवर देयर। विल एक्सप्लोर दैट पार्क and once I am done over there, I will go to University of New Brunswick. I will show the campus. Those students who are coming from outside from as an immigrant over here as a student, they can see the campus in my video. So I'm just going to the Odell Park, and then I will go to University of New Brunswick campus if I am getting a time. So let's go. Bridge, Fredericton. There is one bridge over here. I'm just passing through this bridge, and I feel it's a good one. So I'm just taking the video. So भाई अभी यहाँ पर मैं ओडेल पार्क पर पहुँचा हूँ, और अभी यहाँ पर मैंने गाड़ी पार्किंग की है. Now I'm just going to inside the park. I see few people over here. Like इतनी सारी भीड़ भी नहीं है पार्क के अंदर, लेकिन let's go and explore. So भाई ये है पार्क का पार्किंग लॉट, और आई एम जस्ट गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर. यहाँ से मुझे रास्ता दिख रहा है ट्रेल जैसा, तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर. ये एंट्रेंस पर ही पानी पीने का ये लोग ने बनाया हुआ है. यू कैन फिल योर बॉटल. ट्रेल जैसा है, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. वहाँ पर भी ऐसा कुछ बैठने के लायक है. यहाँ पर भी आई थिंक बच्चों के लिए कुछ खेलने के लिए है. एंड इट्स क्वाइट ग्रीनरी बिकॉज इट्स समर. बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है. ये बच्चों के लिए है, और I'm just going inside the park. Let's see. It's just one type of walk, one type of trail. ये जंगल जैसा लग रहा है भाई. इस वन टाइप ऑफ ट्रेल. यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं ट्रेल के लिए. एक अंदर बहुत बड़ी ट्रेल होगी, लेकिन भाई टाइम नहीं है अभी. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग दैट यू कैन गो हियर. फ्रॉम हियर देयर माइट बी अ ट्रेल. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग लाइक फास्ट बिकॉज आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ गोइंग टू यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यू ब्रंसविक कैंपस ऑल्सो. सो जस्ट मैं नॉर्मल दिखा रहा हूँ कि ये इस तरह का पार्क है. People are doing barbecue over here. You can bring your family, either your friends. मिलकर बारबेक्यू भी कर सकते हो. ये सब ट्रेल्स है. यहाँ सामने से भी ट्रेल पर जा सकते हैं, यहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं ट्रेल पर, और वहाँ पर से भी जा सकते हैं पीछे जो मैंने रास्ता बताया. और इवन यहाँ से भी ट्रेल पर जा सकते हैं. या मैं जो मैप में देख रहा हूँ, अभी मैं यहाँ पर खड़ा हूँ. अगर मैं ये रास्ते से जाऊँगा, जो कि ये वाला रास्ता है, तो ये मुझे इस जगह पर ले जाएगा. इवन ये रास्ते से जाऊँगा, वो भी मुझे ये जगह पर ले जाएगा. सो इन शॉर्ट ये बहुत बड़ी ट्रेल है. ये मैं देख रहा हूँ लोग यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं. पीपल आर कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर, आई सी. So this is the trail. Even you can go from here, either from here, or either from here, or either from the back side. So ये बहुत बड़ी trail है. It's gonna take a lot of time if I'm going it. Maybe sometime if I come over here next time. And then this is the trail. So भाई ये one type of trail है. It's a park and one type of trail. So if you guys want to come here and you want to go inside, you want to have a view of the trail, like, तो आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हो. People also come here for barbecue. So see behind me there are a lot of people, so they are doing the barbecue over there. Even I saw a group of people over there, they are also doing barbecue. And so this is one of the park I saw online, and it was coming in the first. It was showing Odell Park, so I just came over here. And even one of the guy I met over here, he told me that you can visit Odell Park, so I just came over here. And yeah, you can do cycling here, you can come here for the trail, you can come here for the fresh air, you can come here for the barbecue, you can come with your friends for a good walk, either morning walk, either evening walk. Yeah, so I'm just thinking of going to University of New Brunswick campus. Let's go. So दोस्तों अभी मैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यू ब्रुंसविक कैंपस है, मैं वहाँ पर पहुँचा. और आई थिंक ये कैंपस बहुत बड़ा है. दे हैव अ कॉलेज ओवर हियर इन द कैंपस ऑल्सो, किंग्स कॉलेज एंड St. Thomas University. So they have two University of New Brunswick and St. Thomas University, and they have the King's College also over here. So all of them are at the same place. So it seems like it's a very big campus. Behind me you see this one is the campus, and in front of me there is a King's College. I will show you. So this one is it's written over here, it's a King's College. It's closed and it's in the construction. And outside there is the board of University of New Brunswick. And even this one is the university campus. So I might have to go in the car, and then I will explore the campus, because it's a big campus. I cannot walk like that much. So maybe this one is the physics department, like and the library. This one is, I think this one is some room over here. So I will just go in the car, I will explore it, and then we'll show you from the car. So this one seems to be like art music theater, and that one, that campus, like this one, it seems to be like alumni memorial building. And this part, like it seems to be like I think it's for the students who are coming over here, they can stay over here. And yeah, so I see the board over here, it's like a UNB art center. So I'm just taking the tour of the campus from my car. So this one is the head hall. Welcome to the head hall. It's written over here. So all of this is the campus. Everything is in the campus. I will park the car over here. Maybe I saw one place, I will show you that place. So this everything, you come from there, like from there, that side, everything is included in the campus. All everything is there in the campus. So it's quite a big campus, University of New Brunswick. They have different hall over here. This one is R. and Scott Hall. Yeah, see, so this is inside area of the campus. I'm just going fast because maybe I can show you more stuff in short time. This is Faculty of Forestry and Environmental Management. So they have different buildings. That one was for the physics, this one is for the environmental building. It's quite big campus, and it's on the slope. Usually these Atlantic provinces, all of them are like you will find lot of slopes over here. Even I found lot of roundabouts in this city. So on the roads there are a lot of roundabouts. Even we can say city of roundabouts. So see the slope. So in front of me is the Faculty of Law, and this building in front of me on this side, it's like Canadian Institute of Cyber Security. So they have a building over here for the cyber security. They have a building over here for the Faculty of Law. Even I went to the back side, I showed you the physics department, even environmental department. So they have a lot of buildings over here, and usually this university, दो यूनिवर्सिटी है यहाँ पर, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यू ब्रुंसविक एंड सेंट थॉमस यूनिवर्सिटी. सो दोनों का कैंपस एक ही जगह पर है. both of so it's in wide area. So you see the board over here, this board, it's a St. Thomas University. So this thing over here is like there is a building for National Research Council Canada. This building is for it. So in front of me, so on this side, on one side they have St. Thomas University. I saw, so on this side they have the St. Thomas University. On that side they have the University of New Brunswick, as far as I think so. And so this one, I think so they have, this one is the student accommodation. I saw a big tower over here. It's looking good. I'm just going over there. Let's walk and go over there. So this is the St. Thomas University, yeah, because they have the boards of St. Thomas University. On that side they have University of New Brunswick. It's wonderful. It looks great. In summer, man, this area, they look very great. So this one is the tower. Maybe this is the main hall. It's written over there, George Martin Hall. And this is like a top of that. You go on the north side, they have the University of New Brunswick campus. So it's good. The different hall, Donald Duffy Hall. Maybe behind this there is a campus, or there might be a student accommodation. I am just in the main area of St. Thomas University. There is no public over here. Maybe there might be a vacation going on, or either it's like 6 p.m. in the evening, so all the classes are done. So this one is the NBCC college. It's also in nearby this campus. So they have St. Thomas University, NBCC campus, even the King's College and University of New Brunswick. All of them they are at the same place. So it seems like the campus of all the four are in a wide range. बहुत बड़ा campus है और ये कॉलेज है छोटा सा, इतना बड़ा भी कॉलेज नहीं है. It seems to be having few courses. So ये कॉलेज है NBCC कॉलेज है. वहाँ पर सामने सेंट थॉमस यूनिवर्सिटी है. उसके आगे जाओगे तो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यू ब्रुंसविक है और फिर किंग्स कॉलेज भी है. So all the four campuses are at the same place. This one is the conference center on the left side, and this one is the main gate. So this one is the main gate for all the campus. Yeah. Once you enter the campus, you found NBCC, and then you found different other campuses. Searching where I can visit other place. So I just went to the Odell Park, I went to the University of New Brunswick campus, even the St. Thomas campus. All the campuses are in the same place. So I was searching where I can visit another place. I found one place. It's Fredericton Botanic Garden. I don't know what would be there here, but it's like Fredericton Botanic Garden, and then it's like a welcome over here. I will just go inside and then see what is there over here. It seems to be like garden. I think this one is this over here on the right side. I think this one is the trail. They have the map over here. This is the whole map. I'm over here at the entrance, and then if I go left, they have a big trail, and then it takes time, so you might have to walk, and then you can come back over here, or else you can go in the upper parking lot. So this one is the trail. Right now is the evening time, so I will avoid over there going inside. And it's one kind of sitting over here, like a round sitting. बैठने के लिए खूबसूरत जगह है, फ्रेश एयर के लिए भी खूबसूरत जगह है. और यहाँ पर एक बोर्ड दिख रहा है मुझे. So what is written over here? This park space is ideal for relaxing, meeting friends and family, and holding public events. Yeah, so here also we barbecue कर सकते हैं. You can meet your friends, you can bring the family, and I think this one is there is some baseball stadium or something like that, and then the guys can play over there. Even people can play over here, either cricket or something. And it is also a great place to exercise on the open lawn area or around the 150-meter track. We welcome all of this area for community activities, but please contact us to make sure it is available. Okay, so maybe for community activities you might have to contact the city, either the city of Fredericton or something, some government body, and then you can hold activities over here for the community. And but usually for I think for 4 or 5 people, they can come here, they can do the barbecue, and they can go for the trail over here inside. It's evening time. Maybe if I'm going inside, it would be like night time, so I'm just avoiding it. Yeah, this is just the place, a small place. I found it while browsing, so it was showing me botanic garden. So I'm just going inside a little bit. Let's see what is there inside. So this walk is also taking towards the trail. So it's a big trail, and then once like a person can come here, they can walk. So they have different species over here, like flower species, and I think one of them is they are showing here. This is one of the oldest beds in our garden and includes plants that regrow for many years. Yeah, so they have this type of plants. So once you go on the trail, you're gonna find like a lot of plants like this inside over there, and that might be like growing from many years, and they want. Summary ये है कि it's a small city, but it's a very beautiful city. Everywhere you will find greenery. Summer में आने के लिए भी it's a very good city. But if you are coming to New Brunswick, you can easily explore this city in one day. They don't have that much of places to visit over here, but like एक दिन में ये सिटी को एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. इवन यहाँ से आप माउंटेन जा सकते हो, एंड a mountain also, I think so. It's just for a half day, and then you can go to Nova Scotia if you want to explore the Atlantic provinces. So today I showed you the Odell Park, which is quite a big park. People can go over there for the barbecue, for the gatherings, anything. And I showed you the campus for University of New Brunswick, St. Thomas University, NBCC, King's College, and lastly I showed you this Fredericton Botanic Garden. So maybe in the next video I will show you the different places over here in the Fredericton. I saw that there is a art gallery in the downtown. They have it. Maybe that is closed right now, so I'm just not going over there. Maybe next time if I'm just coming to Fredericton, I will make the video for that also. So if you guys like this video, so like karo bhai, subscribe karo and share. Those people who are coming from different countries over here for studying, they can see the campus. I know that's like I was unable to show the whole campus, but actually you can see the like the small things, like whatever I'm trying to show you. You can get the idea with that, and that's it. So just like, subscribe and share it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good one.